centimeter and one diagonal is 24 centimeter. So if you see rhombus is four sides equal, similar to square, but at the corners maximum this 90 degrees will not come in the corners. The diagram should be like that. Okay. So this is the side 20 centimeter and one diagonal they have given 24. One diagonal they have given 24 centimeter. Find the area of the rhombus. Okay. So what I will do, this is the original diagram, 20 and 24, the values are available. 20 and 24 values are available. So I will take exact half of the diagonal. I will make a horizontal line here. So this is 12 meters and this is 12 meters because full diagonal is 24 meters. I am taking exactly half. This I will consider as a triangle. Okay. So hypotenuse is available. Opposite side is available. Adjacent side I will assume x. So now what I will do, in the triangle 1, okay. So area is nothing but half into base into height. Half into base into height. So base is x and height is 12 meters. Centimeters, because everywhere centimeters given, I have to take centimeters. So if you go wrong with the units, the answer in the options you may not find. So we have to be cautious about units also. So units are centimeters. Given is 24 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter. And then the same value I will be using here. Height is 12 centimeter. Okay, x is not known. Now how to find x value in the triangle 1? Okay. So hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. And if you simplify, x square is nothing but 20 square minus 12 square. 20 square is 400, 12 square is 144. If you simplify, this is becoming 256. This is x square value. So if you make square root of that, it is 60. X value is 60. So all these are centimeters. So x value also centimeter. This be equation 1. Now using x value in equation 1. So area of triangle 1 is nothing but half into x value 16 and already height is known 12. If you simplify 2 ones are and 6 are, if you multiply 36, 3, 96, and because it is area, it is square centimeter or centimeter square. Okay. So now what I will do, only one area we have calculated. This is second triangle and this side you may have third triangle and this is fourth triangle. All are equal areas. Okay. So area of rhombus is nothing but area of first triangle, second triangle, third one and fourth one. So all are equal. So 4 times area of first triangle if we apply, we are able to get the answer. We will be able to get the answer. 4 into 96 square centimeter. So 6 fours are 24. 2. So 38. 384 square centimeter is area of the rhombus. 384 square centimeter is the area of the rhombus. Okay. So this is how slowly we have to go on. Next problem. Find the length of the rope by which a cow must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 9856. Okay. So what is happening here? There is a cow. It is tied with a rope. Okay. then I'm not able to do the, okay, this I am taking as cow. I have 3 pussycats at home. Okay, this is cow. It will not have beak, but the face will be something like this. Okay, it is tied with a rope. It is tied with a rope. Now it is grazing. Grazing means it can be moving around the center point as long as the rope will help it to move. So it forms a circle and the cow can be moving within this area. Okay. So what is the length of the rope? So a cow must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 9856. 9856 square meter is the area of this circle where cow is grazing. The rope length is x. We have to find the rope length. Okay, we have to find the rope length. So, area is given, area of circle is given, which is nothing but pi r square, value is given 9856, okay, square meters, 9856 square meters, and r value, this is nothing but radius of the circle, okay, which is x. So I can also put r or otherwise x, radius of the circle r or x, okay. So r value I am supposed to find. So pi is 3.14, r square equal to 9856, and now I will take this 3.14 to the other side. Any possibility of simplification we have to try. First we will go with 2. It is 1.57 and here it is 4928 and I am having 4928 divided by 1.5. Table not possible. 19th table. Okay, I am leaving this. So r is nothing but square root of the entire thing. Okay, you just find out. While uploading the PPT, I will put the answer and upload. Okay, so that is what asked. Length of the rope is nothing but r value only asked. Okay, I am leaving this to you. It is not much difficult, so I am leaving this to you. A circular wire of diameter 42 centimeter is bent in the form of a rectangle whose sides are in the ratio 6:5. Okay, find the area of the rectangle. There is a circular wire. Its diameter is 42 centimeter. Diameter is 42 centimeter. Then the rectangle is formed with the wire. Circle is converted to rectangle. Its length and breadth is there, and length is to breadth is nothing but 6:5. 6:5. We will take 6x, 5x. Length is to breadth equal to 6x is to 5x. Okay, length is to breadth is equal to 6x is to 5x. Okay, now we are supposed to find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Okay, already diameter is given. So, we need the perimeter of circle. So we will know the length of the wire. We will know how much length the wire is. Okay, perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r. So r is nothing but half of diameter. Half of diameter is r. So just substitute, d value is already given, 42 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled. 42 pi is the length of the wire. Okay, length of wire is 42 pi. Length of wire is 42 pi. Okay, now used for making rectangle. So rectangle perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is nothing but 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length plus breadth, and this is nothing but 42 pi already given. 42 pi already given. Okay. So we have L by B equal to 6 by 5. So wherever L is there, we can write 6/5 B. 6/5 B we can write in the place of L. So 2 times 6 by 5 b plus b equal to 42 pi. And if you simplify here, it is 21. If you make LCM here, it becomes 11b equal to 21 pi. Okay, so this is 11b equal to 21 pi. So b value, we have to find b value. B value is nothing but 21 pi into 5 divided by 11. Divided by 11. You can simplify this. You can simplify this. So this is 5, 10 pi by 11. This is b value. And then length value. Length is nothing but 6 by 5 times b. 6 by 5 times b. 105 pi by 11. And whatever simplification possible, we can do it. And the length is nothing but 6 into 21 pi by 11. 21 pi by 11. We have completed finding L and B value. We have completed finding L and B value. Now I will go with area of the rectangle. Okay. So area is nothing but length into breadth. Already we have length value 6 into 21 pi by 11 and breadth value 105 by 11 into pi. So pi value is 3.14. Pi value is 3.14. Pi square value is approximately equal to 10. Pi square value is approximately equal to 10. So you can just simplify 6 into 21 divided by 11 square. Okay, 11 square. And numerator we have 5 into 21 and one more 10 is also there. Pi square means 10. Pi square means 10. This is the area. You can just multiply it and find the answer. Okay. So what I have done in this question, step 1 I have gone with perimeter of the circle, so which completes length of the wire. Okay, is perimeter of the circle is length of the wire. Okay, so here I completed step 1. Next, step 2, that wire is used to form a rectangle. Now I am starting perimeter of rectangle. I am trying to find perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so just I got some equation. From that I am finding b value and L value. These are given details from the given thing I have analyzed in the beginning itself. Okay. By step 2, I am finding L and B value. Now I am coming to step 3. In step 3, I am just substituting L and B value to find the area of rectangle. Okay. Just to simplify this, wherever cancellation possible, you can do it. You can simplify this and find the final answer. Okay, simplify and find the final answer.